Only a HVAC technician will be able to know the names of these 10 HVAC tools. Easy level. What's this tool called? Manifold gauge set. Tool number 2. Tube cutter. Tool number 3. Leak detector. Follow. If the first tools were too easy for you. Medium level. What's this tool called? Flaring tool. Tool number 5. Refrigerant scale. Tool number 6. Vacuum pump. Share this video with a friend who knows nothing about HVAC tools. Difficult level. What's the name of this tool? Tubing bender. Tool number 8. Insulation resistance tester. Tool number 9. Refrigerant identifier. Last one! But don't forget to tell me your score in the comments section. Expert level. Last tool. Psychrometer.